Okay, this is Hanon No.1 exercise. This is in the book for Hanon, but for those who are white notes and we're not looking at the book quite yet, this is just a quick little guide so you can know how to do it. It's a very simple exercise. It's only 8 notes long. All you do is you put your right hand in C position, and we're just going to go ahead and play C, and then we're going to skip. Our whole hand's going to shift, and we're just going to go ahead and move our pointer to E and play E, F, G, A, G, F, E. That's all it is. We're playing basically around a 6th interval. We're skipping between our thumb and our pointer. Even the way our hand's designed, it's almost like we're missing a finger right here. Okay, and what this exercise teaches us is how to be able to get an extra finger and also be able to put our hands and play them at the same time. So we're going to talk about it in just a second. But all this is 8 notes long. C, skip. Then you move your thumb to D and you go D, skip. E, skip. F, G, A, B, C. That's all it is. So it's an 8-note pattern and we just move it up the piano as we go. Okay? Left hand's going to be the same thing, but this time we're going to put the skip in between our pinky and our ring. D, skip. And then we want to come back down and go backwards. So in C position, we start with our pinky, and just like we just did in our left hand, we start with our right hand, our pinky, we skip, the pinky moves over, and we skip. Pinky, skip. Down to C position. Our left hand, same thing. In C position, now, like our right hand did the first time when we went up, our left hand is going to do the thumb, skip. Thumb, skip. Down to C position. The goal of this exercise now is to play it hands together and to be able to play in unison so that the left hand and right hand are speaking at the same time. You can end up going as fast as you want. What you don't want to do is get your hands get out of unison. Fail. Nope. You must keep them together. And backwards. Again, this is Hanon No.1. And the final thing you need to be able to do, white notes, is you must play this, but feeling it's more important. So I need you to, after you've played it a few times, close your eyes or look up at the ceiling and do the same thing. Feel your fingers. Feel where that skip is, and then feel each finger move to the next note. Play with your eyes closed. Take deep breaths. And play with your eyes closed, hands together. Make sure there's speed, and you'll get checked off for your white note, Hanon No.1.